Hey everyone, it's Kaylin and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about how do I receive my $1,200 check from the stimulus package. So before we get started, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. All the buzz going around right now is how do I get my $1,200 check? When am I going to get it? In case you've been living under a rock the past couple weeks, the recent CARES Act that was passed makes a lot of people eligible to receive some money from the Fed. So the first question you might have is, how much money am I going to get? If you're an individual who made up to $75,000, you can receive as much as $1,200. If you're married and you made up to $150,000, you can receive as much as $2,400. And for each dependent you have, you can receive up to as much as $500 more. If you have not yet filed your 2019 tax returns, according to New York Times, you can use your 2018 tax returns to determine how much money you will receive from the Fed. Or you can refer to your 2019 Social Security statement to see what your employer reported to the IRS on your behalf. Pro tip, if you were claimed as a dependent, unfortunately you will not get a check, and your parents or whoever claimed you as a dependent will get that $500. So now the next question is, do I have to apply to receive a check? And the answer is no. If the IRS already has your bank account info from the previous tax return, they will just go ahead and direct deposit it. If you changed your bank account info, the IRS is in the process of creating a portal which you can check in at any time at www.irs.gov/coronavirus, where they're constantly giving updates. I'll put that link in the comments below for you guys to check out too if you're curious. Some random questions I've gotten from people are, I'm on Social Security, will I still receive a check? And the answer is yes. If you're on Social Security, disability, you're a veteran, on housing, you're still eligible to receive a check. Now, if you didn't file a tax return last year, sometimes people who are on low income or receive Social Security or on disability don't have to file a tax return. You know who you are. The IRS is creating a simple file for a tax return this year, and again, you can check it at that same link below to see when they've uploaded the file that you can fill out for a simple tax return in order to receive your check. Most importantly, stay calm and patient, especially with the IRS right now. This is going to take some time. We don't really know when we're going to get the checks. It could be as late as the end of September this year. I really hope you're not relying on that $1,200 check, and if you are, this channel is here to help you. Your first stop needs to be on my budgeting video. I hope you all enjoyed this video and make it a great week.